Hey there, this is John from Hula Boat Care, and today we're really happy to announce the launch of our new product, number 22, Sweet Ceramic Spray Coating. This water-based ceramic coating is effective in leaving a hydrophobic coating on all hard surfaces, in particular gel coat, increases gloss, and is a pleasure to use. It's taken a while for us to develop this, but we are really pleased with the results. Long-lasting durability, safe for use on top of existing ceramic coating, and it could be used on its own. The other ideal thing that we really enjoy about it is it's layerable. You can apply a coat, come back after 30 minutes and apply a second coat to kind of build up the layers as you go along. Once the surface is cured, what you end up is a highly hydrophobic surface where water literally runs and repels right off. Very easy to use. A light spray, dry clean microfiber towel where you can spread the product. Give it a moment to level out, and before it dries, buff with a dry microfiber towel.